Hello guys, welcome to this video. I hope you are ready for today's grammar video. Today I will talk about the dilemma that many English students have when they don't know when to use the present perfect and when to use the past simple. There are many explanations and many cases when you need to use either one. But I believe that it all comes down to one simple rule, and today I will share with you this rule. Look at these two examples. I visited Cairo, I have visited Cairo. The first one is in the past simple and the second one is in the present perfect. Let me tell you the rule, and then we can see how we can complete these two sentences with other words to highlight the differences in meaning. One simple principle is that the past simple is used for the finished time and the present perfect for the unfinished time. Let me explain. Think of yesterday. Is yesterday's day finished or is it still going on? It's finished, right? So you use the past simple. For example, I played the drums yesterday. Now in the expression since yesterday, the time period is not finished. It is still going on until now. So you use the present perfect. For example, she has read 2 stories since yesterday. Also, when you talk about your experiences in life, but don't say exactly when they happened. Not the specific year or month or week, then you also use the present perfect. Because when you talk about experiences in life, it's unfinished time. Because your life is not finished. It's still going on. For example, I have climbed a mountain twice. We don't know exactly when, but we know that it happened at one point in your life. Now, let's go back to our sentences from the beginning of the video. What can you add to the sentence I visited Cairo for it to make sense? It's in the past simple, so we need to add a finished time period. I visited Cairo last year. I visited Cairo in 2015. The sentence I have visited Cairo is in the present perfect. And we are talking about experiences in life. You can say, I have visited Cairo twice so far. I have visited Cairo with my uncle. Let me remind you of the time expressions that are used for each tense. For the past simple, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, ago, etc. For the present perfect, since, for, yet, recently, ever, etc. As a review, you use the past simple for the finished time and the present perfect for the unfinished time. I hope it was clear. Have a wonderful day. Keep calm and study English. Thank you so much for watching and keep watching us for more. Thank you and goodbye.